Basically, my family was in construction, and I was the youngest kid, so I figured, well, I don't want to do it because everybody, all the stuff, all the grunt work came to me. So I was like, I want to do something different. And everybody had a car, and everybody needed cars worked on, and I was interested in that. So I got into this field, and I've been in this field for a lot of years. I used to walk down my first job. I used to walk 5 doors down from my house with my little toolbox, and work on cars on the side on Saturdays. So, and then as I progressed, I went to school, and further and further along, learn more as any field you do. And now I own a shop, and I've been here 22 years. I've just tried to base my shop off of helping people out, and through the years I've just I've been here a long time, like hourly wise. When I was here, when I first started, I'd work till midnight sometimes, and somebody would come in at 6 o'clock. They were on their way home with a flat tire, and I'd help them out. It's just basically helping the customer, and you got to make sure that you can be honest with people, and people can say, oh yeah, he's not going to rip me off, and because let's face it, mechanics have a bad reputation sometimes, and some places are like that, and it's a shame that is the way it is, but people know when they come here they're not going to get ripped off, and they know that they can send their daughter here or their sister. I'm not going to rip a woman off because, frankly, I live in the community, and I have to see people in a store, and I don't want to see somebody and they say, oh, he ripped me off, and I got to turn and run the other way or duck my head because they think I ripped them off. So that's what I think sets me apart. I try to do the best job I can for people and make sure that it's right.